my God. I can't really tell where my hair ends and the topper begins.
Right?
It is beautiful. Look at the color.
The color is fabulous.
And I can run my fingers through my hair and like toss it up, and like this is adventure hair. The fact that you just took it out of the box,
Yeah.
put it on my head, no hot gels have been used on it, no product. She did spray a little bit of water on it at one point, I think.
Yeah, a little bit.
It feels like second skin.
Yeah. Do you notice how it stays? Look how many times you put your hands
Yes.
to that.
Yes.
And it just gets better and better and better.
I agree. It's gorgeous.
Look at that.
I want to show you guys something. Just look
how fine
how
that is.
sheer that lace is. This is very, very, very well done. Lots of science, you can tell went into this. You may have sworn off toppers before in the past because they're so complicated. You feel like, oh my gosh, they're not giving me enough coverage, or they're not, I just don't feel stable. And a lot of the reason why a lot of people swear off toppers is because you get the bubble. And with this topper, with this Barely There topper, you don't have a bubble. It's down, it's secure. I just want to show you guys this. Flip it back up. Yes, it can feel, but look, it just goes.
She's testing it.
There we go.
Yeah.
It's good.
Look at that. Wow.